Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 15-inch wheels and 35-inch tires on a 3 to 4-inch lifted Sport, Unlimited, Sahara, and Rubicon TJ. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. 35-inch tires with 15-inch wheels are a popular setup with owners that have lifted TJs, as you can see from these pictures provided by TJ owners. This wheel and tire combo will fit all Sport, Unlimited, Sahara, and Rubicon TJs that have a 3 to 4-inch lift without needing to do any modifications. This setup gives you an aggressive lifted look with more capability if you want to go off-road. Customers running this setup are a mix of those who are driving on-road and those who also spend time with their Jeep off-roading. Running 35-inch tires on a 3 to 4-inch lifted TJ is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving and mild to moderate off-roading. This setup is free from rubbing any suspension components or the stock bumper. In off-road situations, you can expect to be free from rubbing while driving on trails. For those of you that will be taking on moderate rock crawling, we recommend a small body lift or flat fender flares to give you the clearance you need for articulation. So a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 35 is that when driving on road, the ride will feel a little more sluggish with the 35s when compared to your stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 5 to 7 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of this change to larger tires. This is not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep that in mind when driving. However, this can be easily corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune for those of you that own a 98 to 06 TJ. And for your 97 owners, you can use a speedometer gear, both of which can be found right here on the site. Again, 35-inch tires and 15-inch wheels are very popular with our customers who have 3 to 4-inch lifted TJs and want a more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your TJ. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and then you just need a jack and a lug wrench for install, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.